Okay, now let's move on to question number 6. Question number 6 is 1 plus x whole to the power 2016 plus x into 1 plus x power 2015 and so on. So there is a series which is given. So this is a normal GP, right? This is a normal GP which is given. So we can solve this GP by applying the formula, and then we have to find out A17, right? If this series comes out to be ai x power I, so it will be like this: a0 x power 0 plus a1 x power 1 and so on. So in that we have to find out a17, that is coefficient of x to the power 17 we have to find out. So what is s? S is nothing but 1 plus x whole to the power 2016 plus x into 1 plus x whole power 2015. So every time we are multiplying by x divided by 1 plus x, that is the common ratio, and this goes on till I get x power 2016. This will be the last term. So what I can do is I can just multiply the entire expression by x into x by 1 by x, both sides. So this LHS will become x divided by 1 by x into s. Here this first term will become and I will shift it by 1 unit, right? So if I'm multiplying this term by x divided by 1 plus x, I'll write it here. So this will be x 1 plus x whole power 2015 plus and so on. The last term will be x power 2016, and the next term to this term, when this term is multiplied by our common ratio, I'll get x power 2017 divided by 1 plus x. Okay, now I can subtract these two expressions. Okay, so what I'm doing is simply multiplying both sides by this term and then shifting this series by 1 unit. Okay, so I'll actually start writing from here and then I'll subtract. So now I am subtracting these two series. So all these terms will get cancelled, which are present in between. All these terms will get cancelled. So I'll get 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x into s. This will be the LHS, and right hand side I'll get this term. This term will not get cancelled, it will still remain there, minus this term will remain, so that's minus x power 2017 divided by 1 plus x. Now if I simplify this LHS is actually 1 by 1 plus x into s, and this is equal to 1 plus x power 2016 minus x power 2017 divided by 1 plus x. Now I can take this 1 plus x to the other side, so s will be 1 plus x power 2017 minus x power 2017, right? So this will be the final expression of s. Now I can simply expand this, right? So what is 1 plus x power 2017? 1 plus x power 2017 can be simply written like this: 2017 2017 C0 x power 0, so that's 1. 2017 C1 x power 1, 2017 C2 x power 2, and so on. Somewhere in between I'll get 2017 C17 x power 17 and so on, and last term will be 2017 C2017 C2017 x power 2017 minus the last term, that is x power 2017. So these two terms will get cancelled, but what is my objective? I want to find out the coefficient of x power 17, which will be 2017 C17, right? So my answer will be 2017 C17, and if I apply the factorial, if I represent this in factorial notation, it will be 2017 factorial divided by 17 factorial 2000 factorial. So the correct answer for this question will be option 1. So this is nothing but 2017 C17. This will be the correct answer. So it was an easy question. After all, it gets simplified and comes out to be this 1 plus x, simple binomial expansion of 1 plus x power 2017. That's it. And in that they were asking coefficient of x power 17. So this will be the answer, simple. So a simple question of binomial theorem. Let's move on. Question number 7. Question number 7 says that there is a triangle ABC right angled at vertex A. So let's draw a right angle triangle. Let's consider this right angle triangle right angled at A. Now, and these points are B and C. So let me say this is B, this is C. What is point A? A is 3, 1, minus 1. B is minus 1, 3, P, and C is actually 5, Q, minus 4. Okay, now we know that this is right angle, so this is 90 degrees. So basically vector AC and vector AB are perpendicular to each other. So let me find out these two vectors and apply the condition for perpendicular. So if two vectors are perpendicular, the dot products will be 0, right? So first of all, let me find out AC vector. AC vector will be 2, Q minus 1 and minus 3. 2, Q minus 1 and minus 3. AB vector will be 4, minus 2, minus 1, minus P. Right, now I know that vector AB is perpendicular to vector AC, so their dot product will be 0. So I can just take dot product AB dot AC equal to 0. Okay, so I'll get 8 minus 2 times Q minus 1 plus 3 times 1 plus P. The minus sign will get cancelled from everywhere. Okay, so equal to 0. So if I simplify this, I'll get 13 minus 2Q plus 3P equal to 0. Now it's asked in the question that P comma Q lies on the line, right? So there is a point which is P comma Q. This point will lie on which line, right? So I can simply replace this P by X and Q by Y. So I'll get the equation of that line, right? So 13 minus 2Y plus 3X equal to 0. Now P comma Q satisfies this line, so that's why it will lie on this line. So that's why this line will be the answer, right? So what's the answer? 13 minus 2Y plus 3X. And options are parallel to x-axis. This is not correct. Parallel to y-axis is also not correct. Making an obtuse angle or making an acute angle with the positive x-axis. So what is the slope of this line? Slope of this line is 3 by 2, which is positive, right? Slope is positive. If slope is positive, line will be something like this. That means this angle will be acute. So answer is acute angle, option 4. Slope is positive, that means line will be inclined towards the positive x-axis, that means angle is acute. So answer is option 4. So this was a simplest question of this paper, I may say, right? Very easy question. कुछ भी नहीं करना था, right? इसमें a very easy question. This you can't afford to lose in exam, right? ये तो करना ही था. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is from area. So we have one parabola and two straight lines. So this region. So first of all, in questions like this, you always plot the region, right? So let's plot this region. So this is y-axis and x-axis. There is a parabola which is y equal to x square minus 5x plus 4. So roots are 1 and 4. So one root is here and another root is here. So if these two are the roots, parabola will be something like this. Okay, this is the nicest parabola that I can draw. Then there is a line x plus y equal to 1. So that line will be like this. Okay, actually more slanted. So this point is 1, right? This point is 4, and this line is x plus y equal to 1. This parabola is y equal to x square minus 5x plus 4. So if I solve, like, let me say this point is A, this point is B, and this point is C. If I find out the coordinates of point C, okay, and one region is y less than 0. Y less than 0 means negative y axis, right? So y axis के x axis के नीचे this region, and y greater than, so parabola में I have to take ऊपर वाला region, and x plus y greater than equal to 1. So greater than equal to 1, that means again upper region. So I want to find out this region, right? I want to find out this area. Okay, so what I'll do is, let me first of all join this, let me join this C with the, let me drop a perpendicular actually from C to this x-axis. Okay, let me say this point is D. Now let's find out coordinates of point C, right? So that question becomes easy. So coordinates of point C I can find out by solving this line y equal to 1 minus x, which is this line, and this parabola. So parabola is x square minus 5x plus 4. So if I solve this two, I'll get x square minus 4x and plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to 1 and x equal to 3. X equal to 1 is this point where they are intersecting, and this will be x equal to 3. And if I put x equal to 3, I'll get y equal to minus 2. In this you can put x equal to 3. So I'll get 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. So this length will be actually 2. This length is, this point is 3 comma 0. So this is also 2. So area of this triangle, this much. Okay, area of triangle ACD, this much area will be half into 2 into 2, which is 2. Okay, now I want to find out the area of remaining region, which is this region, this blue wala region. So this area I can find out by integrating the parabola from 3 to 4. So our parabola is x square minus 5x plus 4, and this I am integrating from 3 to 4. This area will come out to, this integration will come out to be negative, but area will be positive, so I'll take delta, I will take mod also. So this will be x cube by 3 minus 5x square by 2 plus 4x, and then you can put the limits 4 and 3. Alright, so if I put x equal to 4, I'll get 64 by 3 minus 5 into 16 by 2 plus 4 4 is 16. This minus, now put x equal to 3, so 9 minus 5 into 9 by 2 plus 12. Okay, if I simplify this, quantity, then I'll get 7 by 6. Okay, after simplification, now you can simplify this, right? So 7 by 6, and area of the triangle was 2. So total area will come out to be 2 plus 7 by 6, which is 12 plus 7 by 6. So this is 19 by 6. This will be the final answer. Okay, so if you divide this area into two small parts, then actually the question becomes easier. So this 19 by 6, this is the correct answer. 19 by 6, option 1. Okay, so whenever there is questions like this, just divide into small areas and then find out the value of integration. That will become easy, right? Okay, so let's move on to next question, question number 9. Question number 9 was a very easy question, simple question of differentiability. Okay, so it's given that fx is differentiable at x equal to 1, and we know that there is a Brahmastra, right? We know that if a function is differentiable, then it has to be continuous. So once I'll apply the condition of continuity, and once I'll apply the condition of differentiability or derivability. So first thing I can say that function will be continuous also at x equal to 1. So apply the condition of continuity. Condition of continuity is LHL left hand limit will be equal to right hand limit. So left hand limit at x equal to 1 will come out to be minus 1, and this will be equal to a plus cos inverse 1 plus b. So this is your equation number 1. इसको सजा के रख लेते हैं. Now let's find out equation number 2. Equation number 2 is that the function is differentiable at x equal to 1, right? So if function is differentiable at x equal to 1, then at x equal to 1, left hand derivative will be equal to right hand derivative. So what we can do is we can just differentiate this function. Let's find out f dash x first, and then we can put the values, right? So minus x ka differentiation is minus 1, and differentiation of this quantity cos inverse x plus b. So differentiation of this will be minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x plus b whole square into differentiation of x plus b, that's 1. So this is when x goes from, intervals will be same, right? Intervals don't change. So ye 1 to 2. Okay, we have equalities here. So now once I can put x equal to 1 in this and then put x equal to 1 in this, you will get LHD RHD, just equate. So minus 1, this is LHD, and RHD will be put x equal to minus 1 in this. So minus 1 by under root of 1 minus 1 plus b ka whole square. Okay, this is your equation number 2. From here I can find out the value of b. What is, so minus 1 will get cancelled, so I can square both sides. So I'll get 1 minus 2b minus b square, okay, plus b square actually, and under root will go away, so I'm squaring both sides, and this is equal to 1. Okay, so basically what I'll get is minus b square and b square minus 2b plus 1. Okay, so 1 will get cancelled. I'll get minus b square plus 2b equal to 1. So this will be b square minus 2b plus 1 equal to 0. So b minus 1 whole square equal to 0. So from here b will be equal to 1. Just check the calculation once, right? Yeah, so 1 minus this whole square, so b square plus 1 square minus 2b. Okay, so this will become plus 2b. Okay, actually I have x plus b, right? So yeah, this will be plus sign. So here also I'll get plus, this will be negative, and this will be positive. So I'll get b plus 1 whole square, right? So b will be minus 1 actually, yeah. B equal to minus 1. And if b is minus 1, what will be a? From equation number 1 we can find out. So minus 1 equal to a plus cos inverse 1 plus b. Okay, and b is minus 1. So cos inverse 0. So minus 1 minus cos inverse 0. Cos inverse 0. What's the value of cos inverse 0? That's minus pi by 2. So I'll get this as a. Now in the question it was asked that find out the value of a by b. So a by b will be minus 1 minus pi by 2 divided by minus 1. So correct answer will be 1 plus pi by 2. This will be the correct option. 1 plus pi by 2. Yeah, and 1 plus pi by 2. So this will be 2 plus pi by 2. So this is the right answer. Option number 2. Option number 2 is the correct answer. Okay, so again this was a very easy question. Just continuity and differentiability ka question. Okay, question number 10. Again the most easiest question of JEE mains. बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चन है ये. This was based on limits, and limits as usual is a very easy chapter, right? Limits से हर साल आसान question ही आते हैं. Every year there are easy questions, right? So limits are always bonus. So this is a simple question of 1 power infinity. If you have studied 1 power infinity, then I can guarantee that you can solve this question. So here it's written x tending to infinity. Now since x is tending to infinity, I will just take 1 by x as t, so t will be tending to 0. As soon as I put t tending to 0 and 1 by excess t, the question is damn too simple now. Now minus 4t square and whole to the power 2 by t. Now still it is 1 power infinity, so let's apply the formula, that's e power the same limit, okay, and fx minus 1 into gx, so fx minus 1, so this 1 will go away, so I'll get at minus 4t square multiplied by 2 by t. Okay, so again t will get cancelled, so basically I'll get e to the power limit t tending to 0 a minus 4t into 2. Now t is tending to 0, so this term will go away, so basically I'll get e power 2a. Now in the question it is given that this is equal to e cube. Now if I just compare, 2a will be equal to 3, so a will be equal to 3 by 2. So your final answer is a equal to 3 by 2. So you can solve this questions in like very fast, right? I am giving you a detailed solution, right? But if this question comes in examination, this question can be solved like too fast in fraction of seconds, right? A very easy question this was.